Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this session I am dealing with chemistry. Sensors. Introduction. The word sensor derives from Latin word sensus and means feeler. Sensor is a device that detects and responds to some type of input from the physical environment. Example: pressure sensors, accelerometer, photodetector, pyrometer, etc. It is a type of transducer. Transducer, it is a device that converts energy from one form to another. Sensor converts an physical input into an electrical signal. Example: potentiometer, conductometer, colorimeter. Actuator converts an electrical signal to physical output. Example: alarm, LED, electric motor, etc. Types of sensor. Based on conversion, it is divided into three types. First one is thermoelectric, second one photoelectric, third one electromagnetic. Based on output, temperature and light sources. Based on detection, again it is classified into three types: chemical, biological and electrochemical. Now let us study in detail one by one. Chemical sensors. It is a device that is capable to giving real-time analytical information about test sample. Example: electrochemical, conductometric, optical sensors, etc. It interacts with a specific chemical analyte, detects it and produces the signal proportional to its quantity. In chemical sensors, analyte test solution is the target species which is being detected and measured using a sensor. It consists of major components: receptor, transducer, electrical signal and display. Conductometric sensors. Principle: conductometric sensors are electrochemical sensors based on the measurement of electrical conductance of analyte solution, in which determination of concentration of analyte is based on measurement of changes occur in the electrolyte solution. The electrode used to measure change in electrolyte conduction of an electrolyte. Conduction of solution is based on number of ions present in the solution, mobility of ions. Applications: used to estimate acids and base in a sample, used to estimate the amount of acids in their mixtures, used to check the amount of ionic impurities in water sample, used to measure the acidity or alkalinity of seawater and freshwater. Conductometric biosensors are used in biomedicine, environmental monitoring, used in biotechnical and agriculture related industries. Electrochemical sensors. Principle: electrochemical sensors are measures the concentration of analyte solution by oxidizing or reducing the analyte solution at an electrode. The transducer component of electrochemical sensors consists of working or sensing counter and reference electrode and electrolyte solution. The sensing electrode is chemically modified, therefore it ensures the sensing of oxidation and reduction of the analyte solution. The electrolyte is a part of electric circuit of an electrochemical sensor system. Electrolyte is transport charging within the sensor, stabilize the reactants and products for efficient transport, and stable under all conditions of sensor operation. Applications: used for detection of dissolved oxygen in water boiler, used for water analysis and environmental monitoring like detection of nitrogen, sulfur and carbon monoxide and pH of water. Used in diagnostic and healthcare applications like monitoring of glucose, blood, calcium 2 plus and iron 2 plus, etc. Used in soil parameter analysis and agricultural application. Used in security and defense applications. Thermometric sensors. These are based on measurement of thermal changes during the interaction between analyte and receptors, in which thermal changes are converted to measurable change in temperatures. Working principle of thermoelectric sensors. It consists of small tabular catalytic reactor fitted with temperature transducer. Analyte is fed into the reactor. The wall of reactor is coated with a catalyst which catalyzes the reaction, liberating heat energy. Heat liberated is quantified by means of temperature transducer. The change in temperature is converted to the output voltage by transducer, which is amplified and fed to data storage and processing unit. Applications. Thermal biosensors are used in enzymatic reactions. Thermometric chemical sensors are used in determination and combustible gases. Used to measure and control temperature in industrial process. Example, chemical reaction, manufacturing and power generation. Used in automotive applications. Example, battery management, air conditioning control, engine temperature monitoring, etc. Used for environmental monitoring, monitoring the weather stations, climate change, etc. Used in research and development to measure temperature in laboratory experiment. Used in food processing and packing. Optical sensors. Sensors based on the transaction of interaction of electromagnetic radiation with a chemical species are called optical sensors. These sensors are the devices that converts light energy into electrical signals. These sensors have ability to detect electromagnetic radiations. Working of optical sensors. Optical transaction based on emission, absorption, reflection and scattering of light by analyte. The optical signals arises from the interaction of analyte with the incident radiation. The interaction depends on the wavelength of the light and molecules present in the analyte. The intensity of light converts into the signal and send it to the photoelectric display. Applications used in smartphones for adjustment the brightness of the screen, used in smartwatches to measure the heartbeat of the person, used in biomedical applications for breath analysis and heart rate monitoring, used as water level indicators, used in imaging, remote sensing, satellite meteorology, medical devices, used in medical and healthcare